everyone, it's Shannon. I'm so glad to have you here today. This is a collaboration video, which means more content for you. Thank you so much to Jennifer from A Little Bit of Common Crazy. She is hosting today's collaboration. So me and several other DIY YouTubers are creating outdoor decor, and I will make sure to put a playlist down in the description box. So please, after this video, go check out that playlist for even more outdoor decor inspiration. In today's video, I have a whole front porch tour and makeover for you. We've been working so hard on our front porch, and we even shoveled a whole ton of rock. So as you can imagine, there's a pretty big difference from the before and the after, and I'm so excited to finally give you the big tour. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So first, let's take a step back to this time last year when we started this whole renovation process. You can see this is kind of in the middle of it where we had taken the lattice off of the front and started working on the decking. This is what it looked like before. And Brian and I did a lot of work. If you've ever refinished a deck before, you know it's sort of a long, tedious process. And I actually have a full video on how we did this and the whole process. I will put that up in the iCards in the description box if you want to go check that out. It is a huge difference, and we created a completely different look. And you can see here, this is us while we were sealing the new wood stain. We did a custom stain on this, so again, check that video for more details on that. And we also did a whole different look. So this is the thumbnail for the spring porch tour from 2019, but it is now 2020, and we did some more work. So you can see here what a complete difference we have made in the front of our home. We actually, like I said, brought in a ton of new rock. We lined the front of the porch in the house with it. We added new landscaping, and we even added a new basement window cover that you see in the back there. We have some boxwoods and some lavender, and then this is a gardenia tree in the middle, which is gorgeous. I cannot wait until there's some beautiful flowers on this. And we also added a hosta in the back. Brian did a lot of work with some bricks and some masonry to build up this window well and installed that new clear cover. And now I'm just showing you a quick pan of the front porch, and we will move up onto there, and I'll give you more details about that in just a minute. But I do want to show you the other side of the landscaping so you can see what we did over there. We added some boxwoods and this cute little rose bush there in the corner, which I hope will grow. Right now you can tell it's kind of sprinkling and raining. We've had kind of a non-stop rain situation here, so I just kind of filmed when it wasn't terribly raining, so you can see kind of the difference in the rock. And we also added some rock to the base of this gorgeous tree that has beautiful pink flowers on it in the spring. And now we'll go ahead and move back onto the porch, and I will tell you more about that. So this year on the front porch, I did kind of a boho style theme instead of the more traditional look that I did last year. I did keep this beautiful boxwood wreath. I just thought it was simple and kind of accented the other greenery that I had. The door, I have a tutorial on that. It is a faux wood painted door, and it turned out gorgeous, so check the description box for that. And this rug is one from Target. The layering rug underneath is from Amazon. I will link that down below too. It's so fun with the fringe on it. And then next to that, I have a plant that I got from Hobby Lobby, which is in a planter from IKEA. This black metal lantern is from Walmart, along with the one that's on the other side that you'll see in just a moment. I'll try to mention where I got everything because I get a ton of questions about where things are from. So if I don't mention that, check the description box below in case you missed it, or leave a comment in case I didn't answer one of your questions. But that little white lantern on the left is from Walmart, along with the planter. All of my plants are from Walmart as well. We're in the middle of a pandemic, so if it's not at Walmart and it's not deliverable by Amazon, then I don't own it right now. So we just kind of made do with the best that we could during this time. The cute little pillow covers are from Amazon as well. I definitely need some new cushions for these chairs. One of them has a little rip on the corner, but obviously it's not the easiest thing to shop around for those right now, so I'm hoping to add new ones of those soon. The table in the middle is from Walmart last year. I have a little aloe vera plant on it, and these two, one's a lantern, one is a candle. Those are from Walmart as well. The placemat, I want to say is from Walmart, but I've had that for a few years. It just kind of sits out on this table. And then in the corner is this cool plant that me and my daughter named Toucan. I don't know, it was just a funny thing, and now it has a name. So he's sitting in a planter that is from IKEA. This cute little gnome guy is from Dollar Tree. It's in one of my recent Dollar Tree tutorials. And the lantern I've had for a while, that's from Hobby Lobby, along with this macrame plant hanger that is so cute. It has like a marble type finish to it, and it's ceramic, and then the plant inside is from Walmart as well. This Home Sweet Home sign was from last year. I just put it back up here. It says Home Sweet Home. It's from Hobby Lobby, and we ordered the mailbox from Amazon. And then when you look up, I love when we're sitting on the porch and it's dark outside because our solar lights that hang up on the ceiling light up, and it's so pretty. So you can see we did add a whole brand new coat of sealer to the porch. It got a good scrubbing, and we sealed it again, and you can see that the finish came right back to life this year. I think it's going to be one of those things we're just going to have to keep up on to make sure we continue to have that beautiful dark wood finish on it. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money if you're going to be making some updates or renovations to the front of your house to create some curb appeal, but definitely it will take some time, and also make sure you are fully stocked on elbow grease because you are definitely going to need that. I find it so satisfying to see before and after photos, so sit back and relax and enjoy this extreme porch makeover transformation. If you're looking for even more outdoor DIYs and decor inspiration, go head over to the playlist I'll have linked down below, and you can find lots more ideas there. I want to thank you all so very much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.